Are you willing to buy best condition used cars available for sale near you? Purchasing a used car is beneficial as it has much lower depreciation value than a new car. But finding the right car according to your needs is quite hectic. Contact Car Depot. It is a leading private used car dealer in Pasadena, California. They have a great collection of best conditioned, well-maintained used cars at the best competitive prices. In this reputed dealership, you can find different used cars, like economic sedans, family-friendly SUVs, trucks and vans for sale. Even they offer the best possible car loans at desired low interest rate to make your car buying dream successful. So, stop searching further. Contact them now at 1-626-469-0034. Their friendly experts help you to find the right car best suited your lifestyle, automotive needs and budget. For more details, visit https://cardepotag.com/.